Every innovation has its infrastructure. Every breakthrough, a backbone. Every radical technology runs on a reliable foundation. For more than a century, that foundation has been Belden. We've wired society's brightest ideas and boldest ambitions. We've enabled industries to operate bigger and faster and smarter. We've connected people around the world and beyond it. Now, we're stepping into a new era, driven by data and intelligence, ready for a new way to grow. We're building the foundation for a digital world, a foundation made of proven solutions, resilient technology, and forward-looking expertise. We're redefining what infrastructure means and what our customers can do with it. Infrastructure that's not just connected, but empowered. Not just agile, enduring. And not just artificially intelligent, physically intelligent. It's time for a unified infrastructure, one that's orchestrated, one that works. It's time to turn on a world of possibilities for our customers so nothing holds them back. It's time to build the future. Belden. Let's build the future.